Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the hospital because that's where Brookhaven exposes medical props and interactions. Once you spawn, walk straight to reception or open the role/prop menu. This speeds things up. Choose the doctor or patient interaction labeled for casts. It triggers the cast asset or animation. Make sure your avatar is standing still while the interaction runs because motion can cancel the animation. You're doing this now to force the game to load the medical accessory into your character's active slots. Once the cast interaction starts, select which limb you want, left arm, right arm, or leg, because Brookhaven assigns accessories to specific slots. Then customize any available color or pattern. This matters since different skins can clip. After confirmation, perform simple movements. Walk forward, sit, then use an emote to check alignment. If the cast shifts, return to the accessory menu and re-equip in the same slot. This forces the engine to snap the item into place. Make sure to save the outfit if you plan to keep it. Finish by saving the outfit or confirming the role so the cast persists. If you don't see the cast, re-equip the accessory from your inventory, toggle between outfits, or simply relog. These force asset reloads. If it looks misaligned, adjust avatar scale or remove and reapply the cast from the hospital menu. This realigns attachment points. One key troubleshooting tip: clear any custom animations temporarily, because third-party emotes often override accessory positioning and can make a cast appear invisible or detach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.